Good morning, children. Welcome to Sri Vidyarambham Academics. Education starts here. I came to you long back because I was having some work. That's the reason. This is the last lesson, important question answers, lesson 14, our environment, class 4, subject science, objective understanding. So here we are going into our question answers first. Then I'll discuss with you the other things. What things make up your environment? I have already explained you when I was explaining the lesson to you. That is everything around you, both living and non-living things make up your environment. The environment also includes the sun and the weather of the place we live in. Okay, that is what you have to write. You have to make it short. If it is for 2 marks, you should write that. If it is for 3 marks, you have to add more 3 or 4 lines. That's it. Next, going on to the next question. Question 2. In what ways have humans damaged their environment? That is what we are facing so many problems nowadays, no? In the form of corona, still we are suffering with that, no? Yes. Now coming back to our answer. We have dirtied our air, water and land by adding harmful substances to them. This is called pollution. Now the pollution of the air, water and land has had harmful effects on the health of the living world. That is, we have cleared the forest to build cities and farms. So in the cities we cut down the trees to make houses and roads. So in this way what is happening? The fertile soil is going off when it is lost when big rains are occurred or floods are occurring, and this is called soil erosion. So instead of explaining this much how we have damaged means what we have to write in short, that is we have dirtied our air, water and land by adding harmful substances to them. This is called pollution. In this way the humans have damaged their environment. That is what you have to write. Okay, now this is the point. Now third question, we are going to the third question. What is the difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste? So how you are given in the textbook, sorry, see here the pictures are given in the textbook. You see all this scenario around you in our houses, around you only, correct children? So some kinds of waste are biodegradable. That means they will rot and they mix into the soil. Like examples are the food waste, leaves, grass, flowers, paper, pencil shavings, are these all are biodegradable. Now the non-biodegradable is opposites, nothing but they will not rot and they are not mixing into they cannot be mixed into the soil. Like examples are plastics, metal and glass. Understand? So this is the difference between the biodegradable and the non-biodegradable waste. That's what is given in the textbook I am showing you. You can see this scenario around you. When you go out of our house only, we see, in spite of this much of corona, we can see so many open places only. Very uglily they are throwing the waste around our house. That is causing a lot of diseases to us. Though we know everything, these all things are happening, so we should avoid it. You as children have to tell to your elders also and suggest them not to do this, so that we are only safe and we are only avoiding the diseases. Okay children, next, moving on to the next question. What is the advantage of recycling paper? What is the advantage of recycling paper? Yes, I have explained you when I am explaining the lesson only, but again I will tell you. Old paper can be sold for recycling, no? So using waste to make new things is called recycling. First you should write using waste to make new things is called recycling. First you should write this. I am telling about the 3 marks answer, 5 marks answer. Okay, then I will tell you the 1 mark answer, how you should write. Recycled paper is made from the used paper only. So the used paper is cut up and made white and made into clean new sheets. So if we are recycling this paper, we will not cut down so many trees, no? So it also means that there will be less waste lying around you. So this is good for our environment. In this way, this is the advantage of the recycling the so many recycling the paper for 2 or 3 times. Okay, used paper again and again we are recycling in this way. This is for 4 marks or 3 marks. When it is given you have to write. Now for 1 mark what you should write? You should write that there will be the less waste lying around us if we are recycling the paper, and this is good for our environment. Recycled paper is made from used paper, and why we will recycle the paper? So that we will not again and again cut the trees, because the paper is made from the trees only, no. So that if you write is enough for 1 mark. Now mention 3 steps that you can take to help save the environment. This is so many points you can write, children, and when I explain the lesson also, so many points I have explained in this lesson when I am explaining you. Go back to my video and just check it. Now I will tell you what points you can write in your own way. This is for 5 marks, you can write 5 points. For 3 marks, 3 points. 1 mark, you can write 2 points. Simple, crisp points you can write. Now it is up to you what you are writing, but I will give you 2 or 3 points. Listen to me carefully. Stop plant and animal life from being destroyed. Plant more trees. They help to clean the air. Okay, that is the first point. Travel short. What we have to do? We should travel short distances on foot only, on bicycle, and so that we can save the fuel, because fuel is causing so much of the pollution that is affecting our environment. And do not waste anything. We should mend and reuse the whatever we can. So give away the things you do not need, and in this way the factories will have so many fewer things only to be made. This will reduce the pollution caused by the factories. Now last, any point you can write. Main point which we are being affected is less use of plastic. Carry a cloth bag. Avoid plastic. Don't use it only. Do not take a plastic bag only from the shop. Reuse your bags. Avoid buying food in plastic bags or boxes. This will control, first this will control our pollution. Because of that pollution, this is because of the waste only this corona is caused, no. See, if you are neat in our house and around us, mainly we can avoid the corona, and in this way we can throw back the corona back into the air, and it won't, so that it will never hurt us and our environment around us. Okay, so avoid plastic. That is the last point. Now children, I didn't wish you for the new year, so I wanted to wish you. That's why I am wishing happy new year to you 2022, and wish you all the best. Study well, and this is lesson 14, last lesson in the class 4. Now I will come back to you with a new video. Please like, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel, Sri Vidyarambam Academics, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Next video I will come back to you with the class 6. Okay children, new lessons. Thank you. Have a nice day.